What's going on, guys? It's Justin here with Summit Racing with another weekly tool feature. Now what we have here is the Astro Pneumatics Master Ball Joint Kit, and this does any Ford, Dodge, or GM ball joint all the way through 1997, and it'll do a couple newer things too. It just really depends on what fits here in your application. So all ball joint presses are basically the same design with this alloy C and a screw, but this thing will do so much more than ball joints. It'll do ball joints, U-joints, bushings, about anything you can get inside the C and use this thing as a press. And it has all these cool collars and adapters to fit, like I said, any Ford, GM, or Dodge vehicle through the 90s and some into the early 2000s. Now, this thing is really slick because it has this nice steel screw, a nice alloy C, and all these collars and adapters are made from good quality metal, so this thing's really gonna do a good job and last long. Now, this is a C-press design with a screw, so you can do this on or off the vehicle. And this is really handy when you're trying to do ball joints and other kinds of stuff. So like I said, this thing is super universal and you'll find all sorts of jobs for this. So we're gonna show you guys a little bit today on how it works, and we're gonna go ahead and do a ball joint in a Firebird control arm that we're fixing up to put back on a car. So let's head over to the bench and get some stuff done. So we got our Firebird control arm here. We're gonna go ahead and throw this thing up at the vise and then get our ball joint press all set up to press this ball joint out. So if I know I'm not gonna reuse the ball joint, like in this situation, I'm gonna go ahead and take my razor blade and cut the boot off it just to make it a little bit easier and get it out of the way. So we figured out what adapters and stuff we need. So now we're gonna go ahead and get our ball joint press all set up. Now we got it snugged up, we can go ahead and put our impact on it and start taking our ball joint out. And just like that, our ball joint is removed. So that's it for our Astro Pneumatics Master Ball Joint Kit. This thing does so many things besides ball joints. It does U-joints, bushings, basically anything you can fit inside the C-clamp. This thing is a staple for any DIYer's garage that's gonna be doing their own work on their own vehicles. So stay tuned for more weekly tool updates, and make sure to like and subscribe to the Summit Racing YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of the fun action. And punch that notification bell so you know when we post celebrity interviews, tool reviews, vehicle builds, and so much more. I'm Justin with Summit Racing. Thanks for watching.